Endress+Hauser is a leading supplier of measurement devices. The devices we produce help the customers to be more energy efficient and sustainable, because they are highly accurate and track the data in real time. The biggest challenge for Endress+Hauser was the data silos, where the data was not really accessible to get the right data at a right point in time. The data of the life cycle of the instruments we sell is quite important. They rely on the info to help the customers optimize existing devices, to repair devices, to get spare parts on devices. We're also implementing Business Data Cloud to gain insights from systems and to really combine data from our HANA cloud system and Snowflake. With Business Data Cloud and all the grounding functionalities with advanced event mesh, we will have much more possibilities in the future to get real-time insights on all these data we have.